I'd like to demonstrate a few wee fixes that we might need to perform in iNZight when dealing with categorical data. So I have some data here. The first variable is group, and these are words 4, 1, 2, 3. So group number typed as words, the numerical version of each, and then some observations. Now, if I select the quantitative variable as my first variable, and then the group as my second, then it splits the quantitative variable up into 4 subsets according to the categorical variable, and it's ordered these alphabetically. And for an ordinal variable, unless the names correspond exactly to the order, then I should reorder these so that they display in that ordinal variable in that order. I can do that using the variables menu, and there's a categorical variables one, and I can reorder. Now, strangely, the variable to reorder doesn't show up here. I don't know quite why that is, but if I come back into the variables menu and I can convert to categorical, and I'll bring that group here and update the data. This shouldn't be necessary really, but there we are. If I select group.cat, nothing changes. But if I now come into the categorical variables menu and go reorder levels, I can select that categorical variable. It creates a new one, and I can choose to manually reorder 4 to be last, 3. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in reorder. Creates a new variable which apparently looks, we've now got 3 variables that look identical, but the way iNZight treats them is quite different. So we've now achieved the ordered nature of that group variable down here. Another thing that we might need to do, here we've got the numerically coded groups, and if I choose that here, then iNZight treats those numerical codes as numbers, and so I may have to convert to categorical the numerically coded variable, update the data, and if I bring that in, it achieves the same thing. Again, I may need, well, I'll probably not need to order those, because presumably the numerically codes would be based on the underlying order of the data.